welcome back to my channel. My name is Noelle. If you're new here, please click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new here, welcome back. As you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be unboxing some new sneakers that I got from Jordan 4s. Before we start this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up.
Bro, how two grown-ass women got into a fight at my job.
What? Another call, y'all.
Guys, I feel like my camera quality has gotten better.
This is the same old motherfucking camera, but for some reason it looks really good. I think I adjusted it really well, or it just got used to me. Anyways, as you can see by the title, we are unboxing some Union 4s. I'm talking way too much, and I should have been opened this motherfucking box. But also, it's gonna be a really short video, so I'm really sad about it. Let's just get right into it. First things first,
I love this box.
and this is the first box that I've had that's like any type of different. So this is so cute. I'm just gonna take it out. Is that a mother fire? That's fire. I'm gonna just take a tour around the box because this is pretty in itself. This is really nice. Like, look at the colors and then look at this. That's mad cute. So I got a size 7 in women's, 5.5 men. The way that the men's sizes and women's sizes works, it's always 1.5 over to be women. So if you're a 5 in men, you'd be a 6.5 in woman. The most common size for females is a size 7. Okay guys, so this is the beautiful, lovely little box, and I'm just going to open it for y'all. Even the paper is so cute, guys. I did not know it came like this. Shoe has a crazy amount of detail. Personally, I don't really feel that these laces are the best laces for this shoe. Are those the only laces? I feel like I would swap these out, maybe for like a cream like this, and it kind of would just mute it. I don't know, my personal opinion. I love this tag. This is so cute. I've never had a tag like this. It's like almost a pink. Look at that back. And look at the material. Like, it's just so pretty. I didn't think I would like these, but they're so nice. I'm gonna take out the other one. This is the one with the other laces. I really thought the other laces were more muted, but this is what they come with. Did you even notice that detail? Fours are my favorite type of sneaker. The inside sole is yellow. And now that I have these in hand, I kind of wanted to see what was up with this tongue. I have no idea how this even works or why. I kind of like the short tongue. I think it's way better. It's literally stitched on, and people who want a longer tongue literally stitch it off. I'm not doing that. I like the short tongue anyways. that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, do not leave without subscribing. If you guys like unboxing videos and videos like this, I get sneakers a lot. Just leave a comment down below if you like unboxing videos, and I will be doing more. I'll do all the sneakers I possibly can. Please make sure to follow me on my